Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw money from MetaTrader 5 to your bank account. Now the first thing that we need to do is simply open up MetaTrader 5. And then once we are here, all you need to do is, for example, you want to put money here. All you need to do is just deposit money here. And then from there, use transfer the money to this app called Xnest. And then once it's here in Xnest, all you need to do is just withdraw it to your bank. And then from here, there's a lot of different options for you to withdraw it. So for example, you can withdraw it to Binance Pay, Gcash, NetTeller, online bank transfer. This is the one you want if you want to withdraw it to a bank. So there's a lot of options also, like PayMaya, Skrill, and StickPay. And that is it. That is the only current method to withdraw money from MetaTrader 5 to your bank account. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.